Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that can totally transform your career: data science. If you're ready to unlock your potential, stick around as I lay out a 10-step roadmap to becoming a data science expert. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to grasp the fundamentals. Get familiar with key concepts like statistics, programming languages, think Python or R, and data manipulation techniques. Platforms like Coursera and EDX are goldmines for introductory courses. Next, dive deeper into statistics and mathematics. These are the backbone of data science. Focus on probability, distributions, hypothesis testing, and linear algebra. Resources like Khan Academy or MIT OpenCourseWare are super helpful for this. Now it's time to get comfortable with programming. Python is your best friend here because of its simplicity and powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Start with simple projects to build your confidence. Step 4. Data visualization. Learn tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Tableau. Trust me, being able to communicate data insights visually is crucial for any data scientist. Now let's dive into machine learning. Understand different types of algorithms such as supervised and unsupervised learning. Platforms like Kaggle offer excellent hands-on projects to put your learning into practice. Step 6 is all about real projects. Whether it's analyzing data sets from Kaggle or contributing to open-source projects, practical experience is key. This will help you build a portfolio to showcase your skills. Speaking of portfolios, step 7 is to build yours. Include your projects, code samples, and any contributions you've made. A strong portfolio can really set you apart in the job market. Step 8, networking. Join data science communities online, attend meetups, and connect with professionals in the field. Platforms like LinkedIn and Meetup can help you find valuable connections. Step 9 is to stay updated with the latest trends in data science. Follow blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels focused on data science. The field is constantly evolving, so staying informed is essential. Finally, step 10, continue learning. Data science is a vast field and lifelong learning is key. Explore advanced topics like deep learning, natural language processing, or big data technologies. And there you have it, our 10-step roadmap to unlock your data science potential. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but with dedication and persistence, you can thrive in this exciting field. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your next step in your data science journey? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.